Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to auto-park your Mercedes E-Class. This advanced feature, known as Active Parking Assist, makes parking much easier. It uses sophisticated sensors to identify suitable parking spots, whether parallel or perpendicular to the road. This system is designed to take the stress out of maneuvering into tight spaces, providing a seamless experience for drivers. Let's dive into how to activate and use this intelligent technology. To begin, activate the system by pressing the Parktronic button, usually located near your center console. As you drive forward at speeds below 22 miles per hour, the system's ultrasonic sensors will actively scan for available parking spaces on both sides of your vehicle. Once a suitable spot is identified, an arrow will appear on your dashboard display, indicating the side where the space is located. This visual cue lets you know the system is ready to assist. Once a parking space is highlighted, bring your vehicle to a complete stop. Your display will show the available parking options, select your desired spot, and confirm. The system will then prompt you to shift into reverse or drive, depending on the parking direction. Release the steering wheel, as the car will now automatically control the steering. Your primary role is to gently manage the brake and accelerator pedals, adjusting your speed as the vehicle maneuvers itself. During the parking process, always remain vigilant and observe your surroundings, as the system is an aid, not a substitute for attentive driving. The vehicle will make precise steering adjustments to guide itself perfectly into the spot. You may be asked to shift between drive and reverse a few times. Once the maneuver is complete, a message like Active Parking Assist Finished will appear on your display. At this point, simply shift your Mercedes E-Class into park, and you are all set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.